It's a cold and rainy day, and we've had to postpone the yard work and the cutting of the lawn, so we'll stay inside. Not. Let's go do some geocaching. We're geocaching in the rain. Geocaching in the rain. The wonderful feeling. We're geocaching again.
The things I do because I love you.
Beautiful day.
Shut up, Norman.
It's the southwest corner. There it is.
I think it probably should have been here.
Just, yeah, with a stone over it.
Yeah.
Looks like somebody just muggled it. Looks like a muggled cache, but unfortunately enough they didn't take anything from it.
So a travel bug?
Travel bug, yeah. We'll put this back in place. Hot coffee and tea on a cold, damp day. Last week we were on vacation in Hamilton, Ontario, Canada. This week we're on staycation. We decided to come down and do this geocache in Hamilton, Michigan, USA. And it's still raining. We're going to make a run for one more cache for the day, and this is what we've got in front of us. So let's go get it. Yep, there's always an easier path out. Take the hard way in, find the easy way out. I always said in any given rainstorm, you can only get wet once. And I've got wet once today. Picked up about 4 geocaches, and that'll make us done for the day. See you next time caching.